If you are searching for a way to make money from YouTube or Instagram, then now is the best time, because with the help of AI tools, creating faceless videos and earning money is now easier than ever before. But for new content creators, creating an engaging video can be very difficult. So to solve this problem, you need to use an AI tool that can give you a good jump start and takes you ahead. I found the best AI tool for that. The name of this AI tool is Short. Make the reason that this tool is the best, because you can do everything needed to create a good video, from generating realistic scripts and adding realistic voiceovers, using copyright-free music, sound effects, animations, and many more. All of this can be done with only one tool. And today we have one of the most interesting niche named hidden fraternities. And their influence, you can make videos on any niche you want using Short Make. To get started, first, you need to create a free account, and then you will land on this interface. Once you sign up, you will get 170 credits, which resets every month. Simply click on Create Videos option. And then this is where the magic begins. There are various options on the top, which I will cover later. First, from here you can generate your script. You just need to write your niche name here. Like in my case, I will write hidden fraternities and their influence, and then you have to write your video topic. I have a video topic. What if hidden fraternities were behind major historical events? And then from here, you can select the language in which you want the script. I will choose the US. You can choose other languages if you want to. Okay, now simply click on Generate and it will generate a script. Now you can even make some changes in the script, and if you don't like the script, you can use your own script as well. Now from this section, you can select background music for your video. They have background music that cover almost every niche, now moving toward voiceovers. You can choose a voice from plenty of realistic voices. Now comes the best part. You can choose one of the most popular image styles from here. Now almost everything is done here. Just click on Generate, and it will automatically generate the video for you. It will take a few minutes, and when the video is ready, you can even edit the complete video, starting from captions. Click on Edit, and then you can simply change the color of the captions or the style of the caption. Now let's move on to the third option, which is Image Edit. Now here is the list of all the images that are used in the video. You can even apply different image style to each image, and you can also regenerate a different image in case you are not satisfied with the results. Finally, from this option, you can apply overlay animation to your video. It is by far the most interesting part, which can boost the engagement on your video. You can choose any animation you want to apply to your video, and it will be automatically applied. And that's it. Our video is completely ready. Simply click on Export and Download, and your video will be downloaded in a matter of minutes. Let's see the results.
Have you ever wondered if secret societies have been pulling the strings behind some of the biggest events in history, from the American Revolution to the French Revolution, and even the World Wars? What if hidden fraternities were the true architects of these monumental changes? Many founding fathers of the United States were Freemasons. Did their secret meetings shape the birth of a nation? Some say covert alliances and treaties, influenced by secret societies.
Honestly, tell me in the comments, how was the video before you go? Let me provide you with some additional details about Short Make. They offer 3 pricing plans starting from as low as $19, which provides you with a total 1,000 credits, which can make up to 10 videos, with each video up to 1 minute long. Then there is a creator plan, which allows you to make 20 videos per month. And finally, Pro plan, which provides you 50 videos per month. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.